What if I told you Canva has AI tools that can do hours of work in seconds? Most people use only 10% of Canva's AI power. But today, I'm going to show you the AI features that can create designs, generate images, edit photos, and even make videos automatically. And the last tool might completely change the way you create content. First, let's open Canva.
Start by creating a presentation. Next, open the Uploads panel and upload the image you'd like to edit. Adjust the image to fit your canvas. Then click on Edit. This will open the editing panel, where you'll find a variety of tools. From there, click See All to view all the available AI features. Canva organizes these AI tools into 3 main categories: Enhance, Reimagine, and Select Elements. Each category includes a unique set of tools designed for different editing tasks. Now, let's start with Enhance and take a closer look at each tool to see how it works and when you should use it. The first tool in the Enhance category is called Adjust. Let's click on it and see what options it offers. At the top, you'll see the All option. When selected, any adjustments you make will be applied to the entire image. Next is the Click option. This allows you to target specific parts of the image. Simply click on an object or any area you want to edit, and Canva will automatically detect and select it. As you move your cursor over different elements, you'll notice their colors change, showing exactly what will be selected when you click. The next option is Brush. With this tool, you can manually select any part of the image simply by brushing over it with your cursor. Once selected, you can apply adjustments and make changes only to that specific area. The next option is Foreground. When you select it, Canva automatically identifies and selects the main subject of the image for you. This is especially useful when you want to edit the primary object without having to make the selection manually. The next option is Background. Once you select it, Canva automatically detects and selects the background of your image. You can then adjust and edit the background separately without affecting the main subject. As you can see, I'm adjusting the settings, and the changes are being applied only to the background. The main subject remains untouched, giving you much more control over your edits. This makes the Adjust tool incredibly useful because it allows you to work with different parts of an image separately without affecting the entire photo. The next tool is Upscale. This is another very useful feature that helps improve the quality of your images. Image Upscaler is a tool that improves image quality by increasing its resolution. It uses AI to make photos larger, sharper,
and clearer while preserving important details. This helps enhance blurry images or low-quality photos, making them look more professional and visually appealing. The next tool is Background Remover. As the name suggests, it allows you to remove the background from any image with just a few clicks. Once the background has been removed, you can replace it with any color you like, create a transparent background, or place the subject in front of another image to create a completely new look. The next tool is Magic Eraser. This powerful AI feature allows you to remove unwanted objects from your image quickly and easily. Once you open the tool, you'll see several selection options, including brush, click, foreground, and more. Choose the method that works best for your image. Then select the object you want to remove. After making your selection, click Erase. Within seconds, Canva removes the selected object and intelligently fills the empty area, blending it naturally with the surrounding background. The result looks clean, natural, and seamless without affecting the overall appearance of the image. The next option is Blur. Using this feature, you can blur the entire image or apply blur to specific areas only. Select the image and click on Edit. In the Tools section, click See All and choose the Blur option. Once the Settings panel opens, you'll see two main options, Brush and Whole Image. Let's start by exploring the Whole Image option. As you increase the intensity slider, the entire image becomes more blurred. Adjust the intensity level according to the effect you want to achieve. Now click on the Brush option to see how it works. Simply brush over the areas you want to blur, and the effect will be applied instantly. If you want to remove the blur from any area, select Remove and brush over that area again to restore its original clarity. The next feature is autofocus. Just look at this clip. The camera is blurred, while the person being recorded remains sharp and clear. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create the same effect on your images or videos using Canva. Select the image you want to apply autofocus. Then go to Edit. In the Tools section, click See All and choose Autofocus. Once the settings open, move the Focus Position slider to 0 and place the focus point on the area you want to keep sharp. Then, use the Blur Intensity slider to adjust how much blur is applied to the rest of the image. The next feature is Face Retouch. Its main purpose is to enhance portraits by reducing skin texture, softening wrinkles and fine lines, creating a cleaner, more polished appearance, and making acne or small blemishes less noticeable. Open Canva and select the image you want to use in your design. First, duplicate the image so you can compare the results. Then, click on Edit, go to the Tools section, and select See All. From the available tools, choose Face Retouch. Adjust the Smooth Skin slider by increasing or decreasing it while observing the changes. You'll notice the difference between the original image and the retouched version. Once you achieve the look you want, leave the slider at that level. The next feature is Magic Edit. You can use this tool to change almost anything in your image, such as replacing objects, modifying elements, or even changing the background. Let's see how it works in practice. Open Canva and select the image you want to edit. Click on Edit. Then, in the Tools section, click See All. Under the Reimagine section, select Magic Edit. Once the Magic Edit panel opens, you'll see 3 options: All, Brush, and Click. Choose the option that best fits your needs. I'll use Click for this example. Click on the color box, type here what you want to change, and Canva will intelligently replace it. Watch how Canva transforms the color box into a tablet automatically. Let's try this tool on another image. This time, I'll select the All option and ask Canva to change the car and its color. Within a few seconds, Canva AI performs the transformation automatically. It's amazing how quickly it can completely change the look of an image. Now, let's try changing the background of this image. Simply describe the background you want, and Canva AI will generate it for you in seconds. The results are truly impressive and surprisingly accurate. This tool can save you a lot of time and effort when editing your designs. The next feature is Image to Video. Select the image, click on Edit, then under the Tools section, choose See All. Now click on the Image to Video option. You'll see 2 main settings: Smart and Custom. The Smart option automatically analyzes your image and creates an animated video for you. Let's generate a result and see how it looks. If you like the animation, click Done. If not, click Generate Again to create a different version. The second option is Custom, where you can describe the type of animation you want. Canva AI will then turn your image into a video based on your instructions. Let's try it and see how intelligently Canva brings a static image to life. The next feature is Background Generator. With this tool, you can change backgrounds using simple text prompts. Select the image you want to use in your design and click on Edit. In the Tools section, click See All. Then choose BG Generator. Describe the background or scene you want to create and click Generate. Within a few seconds, Canva will create 4 different versions for you. Review the results and select the one that best matches your vision. The next feature is Magic Expand. Have a photo that looks cropped or cut off? Magic Expand uses AI to intelligently fill in the missing areas and extend your image naturally, making it look complete and professionally framed. Select the image, click on Edit, click on See All. Once all options appear, click on Magic Expand. Once the Magic Expand settings open, click here on Whole Page and click on Expand. Within a few seconds, Canva AI will arrange 4 different variations, and you can choose the one you prefer. The next feature is Magic Layers. Imagine if every object in your image could become its own editable layer. With Magic Layers, Canva AI automatically separates individual elements, giving you more control to edit, customize, move, or replace them with ease. Let's see how it works in practice. Open Canva and select the image you want to edit. As you can see, this is currently just a regular image. Click on Edit. Then, in the Tools section, click See All. Now, select Magic Layers. Within a few seconds, Canva AI will automatically separate the different elements in the image, giving you the freedom to edit, customize, move, remove, or replace them individually. With this feature, you can easily modify almost any design or post. The next feature is Magic Grab. This powerful AI tool allows you to select and separate objects from an image, making them fully movable and editable. Open Canva and select the image you want to use in your design. Click on Edit. Then in the Tools section, choose See All. Now select Magic Grab. You'll see multiple options for selecting objects within the image. I'll choose the Click option and select the object I want to move. Once it's selected, click Grab. Within a few seconds, Canva AI will separate the selected object from the image while preserving its natural appearance. Now you can freely move, resize, or reposition it anywhere in your design. We've covered some powerful Canva AI tools, but let's finish with one that can save you a surprising amount of time. Grab text. Simply upload an image, click Grab Text, and Canva automatically converts the text inside that image into editable text elements. It's fast, accurate, and incredibly useful. Let me show you. First, open Canva and select the image you want to use in your design. Right now, the text is part of the image and cannot be edited directly. Click on Edit. Then, See All, and scroll down to the Grab Text feature. Here, you can choose between Click and All Text. Once selected, Canva extracts the text from the image and turns it into editable text that you can move, resize, customize, or replace in seconds.